is what they call Fumarole Dome off to our left, and it's just a big volcanic flow. And up here, the spring comes out of it, and it's freaking hot water. It's really hot. They have to cool it down a little bit to get in it. Put some bathrooms in out here. That's nice. Oh, I think we got some hippies. We might have some nakies out here. There's always somebody here, always. So let's go see. This could be interesting. Oh. How's the water? Little hot?
This one was really hot when I got here, but I think it's actually like now, if anything, it's
little cool.
Even a little cooler. That one we've been trying to get to heat up for a while.
Have you?
It was really cold when we got here.
Huh.
But should be getting there. Good. How about you? Good.
They got this fixed up quite a bit nicer than the way they used to. It's good.
Who's saying that same thing?
What do you think? A little warm? About right? Oh, that's not bad. On a hot day, that'd be all right. Well, looks pretty good. The old hot springs looks pretty good.
It is an old one.
That's like a vest.
Well, no one naked at the hot springs, but there often is. Well, here's the old resort. It burned down. Apparently, you know, it was pretty nice back in the day. Big old brick fireplace in there. People shooting it up. Pretty cool old place. This is the guy with the airport. Anyway, he used to have some windsocks in there. He had a little single engine lightweight plane that he'd fly in and out of there. He lived up in Magna, I think he said. Windscreen down. And but it's been probably been 4 or 5 years since I've seen him out there. Rock cabin. Who knows, right? Who knows what was out here middle of nowhere? Bootleggers, outlaws, and thieves, and